The Colonial rifle was our second kit that we developed, and it's a big, strong rifle that's very representative of the Colonial period. It takes into design details from a lot of different areas, but it's just a robust, strong rifle. It's available in a big caliber up to 58 caliber, and the design is such that it lends itself to a lot of carving and decoration, which is very nice. It's a 43-inch barrel. It's just a great platform for producing a rifle. It's a little bit, the Woods Runner has a little more fowling piece influence in the architecture, even though it was made in this country. This has a little more Germanic influence, where it's just a little bolder, a little stronger, and it's a very neat rifle. A little heavier than the Woods Runner, but some people like that. So in general, it's just a little more substantial rifle.
Yeah, it comes with a patch box, but it has the option of without a patch box. So that's something that some people really like because they want to put on their own.
Yeah, or a lot of modern people don't like or at least some aren't familiar with patch boxes or sliding wood patch boxes, and they prefer just nothing on the gun. And there were a few originals made in that fashion. And we do offer it without any kind of patch box on the side of the gun, metal or wood.
I would say that's our least popular style right now, just because I think the weight deters people.
The weight and the fact that the Woods Runners kind of cannibalized it a little bit in terms of, that product has taken some of those sales.
It has.
But it's still, it's still a very, very nice gun, and it can be decorated up and made to look better than better than the Woods Runner. It can look really nice. It has a lot of opportunity for decoration.